Welcome back to the IS Companion. In today's lecture, we will discuss the Attorney General and the Advocate General. 1. The Attorney General of India, the highest law officer. Article 76 of the Indian Constitution establishes the office of the Attorney General, AG, for India, the highest law officer in the country. The AG serves as the chief legal advisor to the Government of India and represents it in legal matters. Appointment and term. The President of India appoints the Attorney General, who must be qualified to be a Supreme Court judge. This means the candidate must be a citizen of India and must have been a judge in a high court for at least 5 years, an advocate in a high court for at least 10 years, or an eminent jurist. The Constitution does not specify the term or removal procedure for the AG. The AG serves at the pleasure of the President and may resign by submitting a resignation to the President. The AG's remuneration is determined by the President. Duties and functions. The Attorney General provides legal advice to the Government of India, performs duties assigned by the President, and discharges functions conferred by the Constitution or other laws. Key duties include representing the government in the Supreme Court, advising on legal matters referred by the President, and appearing in high courts when required. Rights and limitations. The AG has the right of audience in all Indian courts and can participate in parliamentary proceedings and committees, but without voting rights. The AG enjoys privileges and immunities similar to those of a member of parliament. However, the AG cannot advise or represent parties against the government, defend accused persons in criminal cases without government permission, or hold directorships in companies without government approval. Despite these restrictions, the AG is not a full-time government employee and can engage in private legal practice. Solicitor General of India. The Solicitor General and Additional Solicitor Generals assist the AG but are not mentioned in the Constitution. The AG is not a member of the Central Cabinet. Legal matters at the government level are overseen by a separate law minister. 2. The Advocate General, the highest law officer in the state. Article 165 of the Indian Constitution provides for the office of the Advocate General, the highest law officer in a state, corresponding to the Attorney General at the central level. Appointment and term. The Governor of the state appoints the Advocate General, who must be qualified to be a High Court judge, that is, a citizen of India who has held a judicial office for 10 years or been a High Court advocate for 10 years. The Advocate General serves at the pleasure of the Governor, with no fixed term or removal procedure, and may resign by submitting a resignation to the Governor. The Governor determines the Advocate General's remuneration. Duties and functions. The Advocate General advises the state government on legal matters, performs duties assigned by the Governor, and discharges functions conferred by the Constitution or other laws. The Advocate General can appear before any court within the state and participate in state legislature proceedings and committees without voting rights, enjoying privileges and immunities similar to those of a state legislator. In conclusion, the roles of the Attorney General and the Advocate General are crucial in providing legal counsel and representation to the central and state governments, ensuring adherence to the law and the Constitution. Thank you.